Ritik. Should we continue now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Ritik.
Yes, ma'am. बोलो.
Nothing. I'm saying, should we continue?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Unmute the speaker, Ritik. So now what happens, Ranga? He goes to the narrator. What was the name of the narrator, beta?
Rama.
Rama, Shyama, Shyama. Okay, he goes to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
narrator and then they start with the talks, and the narrator Shyama, he comes to know about the opinion of Ranga regarding the marriage and all, and Ranga says that he decides not to get married uh, till he finds a suitable girl, till he finds the right girl. Then what happens? Ramarao's niece, Ratna, she had come to her uncle's house as her parents were dead and she had been living there. So now Shyama, he decides to get Ranga married anyhow, right? So he just makes a plan and he invites Ratna to his house, asking him to come for buttermilk. So when he comes to take buttermilk, the narrator requests the girl to sing a song. Okay, she sings a song, rather we can say a bhajan or a song she sings. And as she was singing, on the other hand, the narrator, he calls, whom did he call? Whom did he call?
Ranga.
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 Okay, now as Ranga comes, he just stopped on the threshold on listening to the voice of a female singing. Even Ratna, while singing, she came to know that somebody was standing on the doorway and she stopped singing. Up till here we had done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next para, put the date. Written, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose you buy the best quality mango, you eat it slowly, savoring its peel before biting into the juicy flesh. You do not want to waste any part of it. Before you take another bite, the fruit slips out of your hand and falls to the ground. How do you feel now? See, बड़े अजीब अजीब से examples जो है वो श्यामा देता है to make the story humorous. Okay, थोड़ी बहुत humor पैदा करने के लिए, to create humor in the story, he gives some sort of examples and some very funny examples he gives. So now this is the example that he gives of the best quality mango. Ranga's face showed the same disappointment when the singing stopped. You sent for me, he asked as he came in and sat on a chair. Ratna stood at a distance, her head lowered. Ranga repeatedly glanced at her. Once our eyes met and he looked very embarrassed. No one spoke for a long while. So now the narrator, he compares this situation, this Ranga situation. Why? Because even Ranga, as soon as he saw that the singing had stopped, he got very much disappointed. Okay, और इस सिचुएशन को कंपेयर करता है, वो रंगा की सिचुएशन को कंपेयर करता है कि सपोज a person is having a best quality mango. Okay, he is enjoying it, right? The mango he is enjoying a lot, and suddenly the mango, it slips and falls on the floor. Okay, तो क्या होगा? Before you can enjoy it fully, what happens? You become disappointed, you are disheartened, isn't it? Take for example,
Yes, ma'am.
suppose you are eating a silk, you just open the wrapper and you are about to eat your favorite chocolate, okay, or a bar of chocolate you are about to eat, beta. What happens? Suddenly it slips and it falls on the floor. Spoiled. Mood is spoiled, isn't it? You are disappointed. मूड ऑफ हो जाएगा आपका, है ना? डिसअपॉइंटेड हो जाएंगे. ये रिदम दो कौन है? रिदम
Yes, ma'am.
एक और कौन आया आपके नाम से?
नो मैम, वो मैं अभी रिकनेक्ट हुआ था इसलिए मैम 2 बार दिखा रहा होगा।
Okay, okay. So now same disappointment, it was there on Ranga's face. Okay. Then Ranga, you know, he asked the narrator why he had called him. अब उसने तो पूछा narrator से कि भाई why did you call me? You sent for me, you called me. Okay. And he just entered the room and he sat inside on a chair. Ratna, she was standing there and her head, you know, she had lowered down her head. Yani she was feeling shy. Now, you know, Ranga, you know, he was continuously glancing, means looking at Ratna. But once their eyes met, whose eyes? Shyama and Ranga's eyes met. Ranga, you know, he felt very embarrassed, very much embarrassed. And after that, for a few moments, nobody spoke. Okay, everybody was silent there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It was my coming in that stopped the singing. Let me leave. Now Ranga, you know, he says, yes, you know, I came inside. That's why the singing had been stopped. Okay, I leave. Chalo, main jata hu. Words, mere words. Okay, the narrator says those were the words, only the words spoken by Ranga. Though he said, I'm going, but he did not move an inch. समझ में आया? आप किसी के घर जाओ और बोलो हम जा रहे हैं नहीं, you are sitting there, you are not moving, isn't it? Same condition was of Ranga. He says, yes, because of me the singing had been disrupted. Okay, fine, I'll leave. तो narrator कहते हैं words, mere words. The fellow said he would leave but did not make a move. Getting it? उस फेलो ने यानी रंगा ने बोला ओके फाइन आई एम लीविंग, बट ही डिड नॉट मूव एन इंच, लेकिन इंच भर भी मूव नहीं हुआ वो. हाउ कैन वन एक्सपेक्ट वर्ड्स टू मैच एक्शंस इन दीज डेज ऑफ कलयुग? रत्ना रैन इनसाइड ओवरकम बाय शाइनेस. ओके, उसके बाद श्यामा जो है थोड़ा सा हंसी मजाक करता है और कहता है आज के कलयुग में यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट योर वर्ड्स match with your actions. Means a person cannot expect whatever he says he will do it, right? Or jo Ratna thi, she became very much shy and she just ran inside the house. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब
Yes,
देखना in the
ma'am.
next para again the
Yes, ma'am.
funny examples are given by the narrator. After a while, Ranga said, who is that girl, Swami? Who's that inside? The lion wanted to know. Okay. Now see, कुछ देर बाद रंगा ने पूछा, भाई awkward silence था, उसके बाद रंगा ही breaks the silence और वो पूछता है कि who's that girl, you know? Okay. और द लायन नरेटर बोलता है रंगा को, राइट? और कहता है कि हमारा जो लायन था रंगा, यू नो, ही वांटेड टू नो हु इज दैट इनसाइड. द ही गोट हु हैड टेकन शेल्टर इन द टेंपल रिप्लाइड, डज इट मैटर हु आई एम अ पुअर एनिमल हु हैज ऑलरेडी ईटन 9 lions. I have vowed to eat one more. Tell me, are you male or female? The lion fled the place in fear. It seems like the he goat. I said, what does it matter to either of us who she is? I'm already married and you aren't the marrying kind. Now Ranga, he asked that who is that girl? He wanted to know about the girl. But the narrator, he compares the situation and he compares Ranga with the lion और कहता है हमारा जो lion है, you know, he wanted to know that who is that girl, right? The narrator replies very clearly, you know, and he says that the he goat who had taken shelter in the temple replied. Okay, अब he goat ने shelter ले लिया था temple में. एक बड़ा इनफेमस सी स्टोरी है ये. ओके, तो उससे वो कंपेयर करता है वो. तो वो कहता है ही गोट ने, यू नो, इट हैड टेकन शेल्टर इन द टेंपल, और वो ही गोट बोल रही है कि डज इट मैटर हु आई एम अ पुअर एनिमल हु हैज ऑलरेडी ईटन 9 lions and I have vowed to eat one more. Now he goat, you know, श्यामा he compares to himself कि मैं लायन तो उसको मानता है रंगा को, और ही गोट अपने आप को मानता है और कहता है मैं तो ऐसा ही गोट हूँ जिसने ऑलरेडी तुम्हारे जैसे 9 lions को ऑलरेडी ईटन. आई हैव ऑलरेडी ईटन मतलब people like you know, who boasted too much, you know, I'll not marry this and that. Okay, I got him married. Are you getting बेटा? श्यामा अपने आप को ही गोट मान रहा है. Getting it? और कह रहा है कि बहुत सारे शेरों ने मेरे आगे बड़े वादे करे थे, ये वो है ना, लेकिन मैं उन शेरों को भी खा गया. यानी बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये करा था कि I'll not marry. Okay, but anyhow I got him married. Okay, और अब मैंने कसम खाई है कि I'm going to eat one more lion. And who is this one more lion? Who's this one more lion?
Ranga.
Ranga, very good. The lion fled the place in fear. It seems like the he goat, I said, okay. और ऐसा लगा कि lion, you know, he had run away from the place. मतलब he got scared. तो कहते हैं मैंने he goat की तरफ से पूछा, उसको बोला rather, okay. मैंने कहा ना बड़ा ह्यूमर है इसमें. तो श्यामा उसको कहता है, you know, what does it matter who she is? I'm already married and you are not going to get married. बिल्कुल blunt reply दे दिया. बोले तुम्हें क्या मतलब कौन है वो? You decided not to marry, okay? You decided to remain a bachelor. So this is none of your concern that who is she, right? And even I just don't want to know her. Why? Because I'm already married. Very hopefully he asked, she isn't married then. और फिर उसने बहुत hopefully रंगा के मुंह से निकल ही गया, okay, then she is not married. His voice did not betray his excitement. Okay, his voice was as such that showed excitement. Okay, he couldn't hide the excitement that was there in the voice on seeing that girl. But I knew it was there. She was married a year ago. अब क्या करा? जैसे उसने पूछा कि he isn't married, she isn't married, तो श्यामा जो है नरेटर उसने झूठ बोल दिया तुरंत. She got married a year ago. Okay, उसकी तो साल भर पहले ही शादी हो गई. Where is the chapter gone? Yes. His face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. After a while, Ranga left saying, I must go, I have work at home. अब क्या हुआ? अब उसका face बिल्कुल shriveled. Shriveled समझते हैं? You have seen the roasted brinjal, isn't it? What is a brinjal?
बैंगन.
बैंगन. बैंगन का भरता बनाया जाता है तो उसको रोस्ट करा जाता है ना बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो कैसे shrink हो जाता है वो? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
बैंगन का जो ग्लो होता है ना वो खत्म हो जाता है और वो श्रिंक हो जाता है. ओके, सिमिलरली नरेटर जो है उसको कंपेयर कर रहे हैं विद द रोस्टेड ब्रिंजल कि बिल्कुल उसका ग्लो खत्म हो जाता है एकदम, है ना, रंगा का. when he came to know that Ratna, you know, she's married and she got married a year ago. Okay, so almost Ranga's face, you know, it became like a roasted brinjal. After a while, Ranga left saying, I must go, I have work at home. और कुछ देर बाद रंगा he left narrator's place. He said, I'm going because I've got some work at home. I went to a Shastri the next morning. Now the narrator, he proceeds, right, with the plan. So he goes to Shastri the next morning and told him, keep everything ready to read the stars, I'll come later. Now he tutored him, उसको सिखा दिया. Tutoring मतलब उसको अच्छी तरह से पढ़ा दिया. Okay, अपना plan बता दिया और बोला you keep everything ready. Okay, तुम्हारा सारा पैराफेरनेलिया यानी सारे शास्त्र और सारी चीजें तुम तैयार रखना. I'm going to bring Ranga to you. So he says to Shastri, keep everything ready to read the stars, I'll come later. I tutored him means he told him everything. Okay, he told him all about his planning. In all that I wanted him to say, I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. Okay, अब शास्त्री को अच्छी खासी पट्टी पढ़ा दी. He tutored him. Okay, और फिर बोलता है कि जब मैं रंगा को लेकर आऊँ ना तो you have to work according to my planning. Whatever I taught you, whatever I told you, you have to speak that only. Now when Shyama, you know, when he meets Ranga in the afternoon, Okay, he finds that there wasn't any change in Ranga. The same disappointment was there. What's the matter? You seem to be lost in thought. Now narrator, बड़ा मजाक करता है, बड़ा मजे लेता है रंगा के, और कहता है क्या बात है ना, इतने ऐसे क्या विचारों में खोए हो, you are lost in your thoughts. What happened? I said, who is I, Shyama? Nothing's wrong. Believe me, headache. Okay, come, let us go and see a doctor. Now see, when when this narrator, he asked Ranga ki what's the matter, what happened? Okay, why? Because he was having the disappointment that he had on hearing about the news of Ratna's marriage. The same disappointment was still there even in the afternoon on his face. So this narrator, he asked him, what's the matter? A headache? Are you having the headache? तो yes, narrator says, oh, जैसे ही वो कहता है कि रंगा headache, तो narrator कहता है, okay, fine, then come and let us visit the doctor. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. I have no headache. I am my usual self. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. Okay, Ranga says, I don't have a headache. Okay. I'm my usual self. I'm fine. Okay. I'm in my normal self. है ना, बिल्कुल normal हूँ, मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. तो नरेटर उसको क्या कहता है, I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. The narrator says, the same condition was even of mine. It was when my family members and all, they were choosing a girl for me. The same condition, okay, I went in through the same situation. But I don't think that could be a reason for your present condition. But that cannot be a reason of your present situation. समझ गए? कहते सेम कंडीशन मेरी भी थी, है ना, जब मेरे लिए लड़की देखी जा रही थी, पर मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुम्हारी ये कंडीशन होगी. Why? Because you have decided to remain a bachelor. खूब मजे लेता नरेटर भी इसके. Ranga stared at me. Now Ranga, started staring at the narrator. Come on, let's go and see Shastri, I suggested. So narrator कहता है, okay, fine, come, let's go and see Shastri. Divyansh Maheshwari, you have joined right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Why so?
Actually, I have. No, I.
Hardly 5
I'm
minutes
sorry.
are left. Hardly 5 minutes. So the narrator invites him and asks him to go to Shastri. He wanted to take him to Shastri. Do you remember why he wanted to take him to Shastri? Because he had already tutored Shastri. He had already taught Shastri. He did all the planning with Shastri. और Shastri जी को बोला था कि when I'll bring Ranga here, you have to say like this to him. Means according to his plan, he had to work. Now Ranga stared at me. Come, let us go and see Shastri. I suggested we will find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not. और श्यामा कहता है चलो हम पता करेंगे भाई तुम्हारे ग्रह के बारे में. स्टार्स ही इज गोइंग टू रीड फॉर अस. और तुम्हारे गुरु और जो शनि हैं वो फेवरेबल है भी कि नहीं तुम्हारे लिए. Ranga accompanied me without any protest. See, he did not protest, he did not refuse, and he just went with. Whom did he go? He went with the narrator to Shastri. As soon as Shastri saw me, he exclaimed. Now Shastri, he has to act, okay, as if he had not seen the narrator since a long time. यदि वो बोल देता कि नहीं अभी हम मिले थे, शास्त्री बोल देता, तो पूरा प्लान उनका चौपट हो जाता और रंगा को पता पड़ जाता कि ये तो इनकी प्लानिंग है. तो जैसे ही शास्त्री on seeing the narrator देखता है, तो he shows his emotions, feelings of surprise. What a surprise, Shyama! Haven't seen you for a long time. Okay. और सरप्राइज और कहता है oh what a surprise, he gives this expressions who शास्त्री और एक्ट कर रहा है. ओके अभी वो हो श्यामा, I did not see you since a long time. Shyama is none other than your servant, the narrator of the tale. Now here the narrator, he introduces himself, or कहता है श्यामा कौन है? श्यामा नरेटर ऑफ द स्टोरी है, यानी मैं हूँ। I got angry and shouted, "What only this morning?" अब क्या हुआ, नरेटर खुद ही अपना प्लान भूल गया, राइट? और कहता है कि एकदम से मैं उस पर जोर से चिल्लाया, इतनी गुस्सा ही, मैंने कहा ओनली दिस मॉर्निंग, लेकिन आई वॉज कट अक्रॉस, ओके, मेरी बात को काट दिया गया। किसने काटा? शास्त्री। यदि नहीं काटता तो सारा प्लान इट वुड हैव बीन रूइंड, बर्बाद हो जाता ना। वो रंगा समझ जाता है कि ये तो ऑलरेडी मॉर्निंग में आकर गए और मुझे जबरदस्ती लेकर आए हैं। So, I said, why? I got angry and shouted, "What only this morning?" Shastri completed my sentence. You finish all your work and are now free to visit me. See, cut across करके Shastri he continued. अच्छा अच्छा, only this morning की बात को आगे वो कैसे टर्न देता है कि अच्छा इस मॉर्निंग पर ही, इस मॉर्निंग तक you were busy, now you have completed all your work and that is why you have visited me. Had he not done so, if Shastri wouldn't have done so, if he wouldn't have spoken so, I would have ruined our plan. All the plan would have been spoiled by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. Okay? अब एग्जाम्पल दिया है कि पूरा ग्रेन का हीप बना के जैसे सन में रख दिया जाता है टू गेट द ग्रेन्स ड्राई, ओके, टू मेक देम ड्राई। ग्रेन्स को, अनाज का ढेर बना के सन में रख दिया जाता है, एंड इफ यू टच देम अ लिटिल द होल हीप पूरा बस्ट हो जाता है ना, वो पूरा ढेर। तो कहता है हमारा प्लान भी वैसे ही ढेर हो जाता है, प्लानिंग इट वुड हैव बीन ruined. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. Now the narrator says, I became very, very careful after that, whatever I spoke. Shastri turned to Ranga. When did the young son of accountant clerk come home? What can I do for him? It's very rarely that he visits us. So Shastri, जैसा कि उसको ट्यूटर करा गया था, पट्टी पढ़ाई गई थी, he begins, okay, कहते okay, when did the young son of accountant he came to the village? When did he return from Bangalore? And now what can I do for him? मैं उसके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? Very rare, very less, he visits us, है ना, बहुत कम आता है वो हमारे पास, right? Understood, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Revise it, beta, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless
Thank
you.
you.